The first step to creating a tax strategy or a tax plan is to have a foundational system for bookkeeping. So this can look like a multitude of different things like QuickBooks Online, Wave Accounting, Xero, pen and paper, whatever works best for you. My professional opinion is QuickBooks Online is the best. I know there is negative comments out there about QuickBooks, but I don't think anything compares. I've tried all sorts of different software. QuickBooks is definitely the best in my opinion. And after you have that bookkeeping system in place, that's a great start. Connect your business bank account to it. But then the next process I want to talk about is tracking your revenue. So there's probably one or two things that are happening when you are sending out and receiving payments is you're probably using Stripe, which is a great payment processing system to be using to get payments. The other thing you might be doing is invoicing directly through your bookkeeping software, and your customers or clients are paying directly through that invoice that you're sending to them. That is a great solution if that works for your business because it is connected to your bookkeeping software already. So it's already tracking the type of income that you are receiving through the invoice. When it comes through Stripe, usually it just comes through as a transfer from Stripe, which is fine. But my recommendation here is to track your revenue by the different services and offerings that you are providing. So if you are a social media manager, having a couple different revenue line items like social media management, maybe brand partnerships, PR, if you offer VA services, having those broken out so that way you can clearly see where your revenue is coming from. So even if you are using Stripe, which is a great tool, making sure that you're categorizing those revenues appropriately so that you know what you're receiving money for. So that's my number one tip when it comes to tracking your revenue is to ensure that you are recording the actual service that you are receiving income for in your bookkeeping software. Now, if you're like, what the heck? I don't know. I don't want to do that. I just want to bundle it all into the sales column because it's just too much work. Let me know, reach out to me, let's chat and see how I can provide that beautiful system for you where I handle that categorization and make sure that your revenue is being tracked appropriately so that way you can clearly identify where your revenue is coming from and then we can set goals and be strategic when it comes to growing your business.